Okay, now for those of you who complain that you couldn't get the same result I'm getting, so this is for you. Now, some complain that they couldn't get the same results as what I'm getting here. So what you need to do is just very simple. First, locate your file from your local disk, go straight to XAMPP, htdocs, and remember this is the file we use, line. So under the line, what you need to do is just go to this any text editor you are using. Remember we used Sublime Text, so let's drag it here. Now what you need to do is this: you can choose to delete this, and you can decide to leave it. So you need to do some editing here, just this. Now there is something called CDN. Now if you go to Bootstrap website, you will see CDN. CDN eventually means content delivery network. That means the properties of the file you are trying to use, it's hosted on a server. Number one, it saves time. Number two, it saves disk space. And number three, it helps, as in once you make a request for the file, it drops the file and the nearest server location. So it's very simple. What you need to do, but you need to make sure you are internet connected. That means you make sure your internet is connected, so as to make sure it downloads. Now after which it has been downloaded straight to the nearest server, you can disconnect. It will eventually give you what you want. It's very simple. Let's quickly go on and just type this https this www, or you can just leave this out of it, maxcdn.bootstrap.com/bootstrap. Make sure your spellings are correct, /3.3.7/css/bootstrap.min.css. Save. Now Bootstrap, this the script for this, you need to edit it as well. Now this is https /ajax dot googleapis.com/ajax/libs/jquery /3.2.1/jquery jquery dot min dot js. Okay, then this you need to edit it as well. https this maxcdn dot bootstrap okay, cdn. Okay, this you have cdn too, bootstrap cdn.com/bootstrap /3.3.7/js/bootstrap.min.js. Yeah. Now let's check again. https maxcdn bootstrap cdn okay dot bootstrap cdn.com/bootstrap 3.3.7 css. This okay, this is correct. ajax dot googleapis.com ajax libs, that means library, jquery /3.2.1 this that. Okay, the last one here is this. Now let's quickly run a check if this will work. Now once it works, that means you copy the head tag. That means you copy everything from here down here and replace with other ones we have there. Now I want to run a check on how we're going to make this work. Now let's check. Though for now, let's refresh. It should look scattered. Now once we have internet connection on this, everything will surely be corrected. Sorry. Okay, now let's refresh. Okay, now let's refresh. Good. Now you can see it works now. And once you click on this, now remember, if you want to do the same thing for all the pages, all what you need to do, please kindly look straight to this code properly. Now this is https maxcdn bootstrapcdn.com. This is closed. Now the script is also closed. Now the script is also closed. Now let me add some little thing now to this. Normally in HTML, though I initially intend to like make it the next tutorial, but let me add it here. It's very simple. What you need to add in this is in the head tag. Sorry, all what you need to do is just meta. We want to add a meta tag, and meta it's the meta name. This, so it's gonna be, now this is the responsive part of the latest web HTML5 design. So this is very essential. Width equals device width. Now initial scale, initial scale, okay, equals 1. Okay, now after this you can now put your okay, before this you can put, let's choose the meta okay, meta chassis. Okay, now that will be this, the language preference. So once you have these, it won't affect it. Just reload and you'll see. So please, all what you need to do is just copy the air tag you have here and paste. You can go back to your file. What's the second file we have here? Register. So let's look for register. This is the register. Now drag it down to this. Now once you do this, just replace the air tag, everything we have here. But mind you, are going to change this. This is a register. Okay, now let's check if what we did is correct. You have to refresh it. Now go to register. You can see it works perfectly. Okay, now you can do it, and so on and so on. So thank you. Now watch out for another tutorial which I'm about to release, which is car auto sale, where you can design a website for a car company. That means where you can sell car. Now let me give you a snippet of what you might face or what you might see in the future. Now I'm just giving you a snippet of what will you will see. Now you can see, now this is very enticing. Show this. This is like this like that. So don't worry, I'll take you through everything where we handle each section by section. Thank you. God bless you. See you in the next videos. Now kindly subscribe, comment, like, and share my videos. And I'll be very glad if you can tell your friends, tell your family that I'm here to give you everything for free. Thank you. God bless you.